I'm Jeff Hendrickson. This is my second really cool workshop with these ladies. We did our first one. We're going to be basing it on my book that just got published with Pack Publishing back in August called Unleashing the Power of UX Analytics. So I'm going to pull two different chapters out of here. We're going to talk about surveys, but we're going to do surveys in a really different interactive kind of way. So you all see stickers and Sharpies on your table. We're going to be working with those. If you can clear the boxes off of your table, if you're finished with them, let's clear those off because you're going to need some room to work. So some of the work is going to be done on your tables. You're going to be doing some individual work, and you're also going to be doing some group work where you're going to get together and you're going to collaborate on some things. And then we're going to be bringing stuff and putting it up on the wall. So we're going to do that, and then what we're going to do is we're going to move into metrics, which is chapter 10 in the book. So what we do in the exercises that we're going to do here, we're going to turn into metrics, and then we're going to move through so that you understand somewhat proficient. I'm going to be asking you some questions. We're going to be user. That's all right. A lot of them are going to be the same. That's what we do. I want you to compare all of your answers. Each team is going to come up to the board. What I'd like to do is have your team propose to me a training program, since it sounds like we need a training program to get everything going and to get people working a little bit faster, all right? You guys did awesome. It makes me feel so good to be come and do this, so we're just going to sum some things up here. But also in the way you articulated your stories and in the way you wrote things out was very different. Each of you had a lot of really, really cool ideas. You summed everything up very well. You came up with a great story. You came up with some great recognitions. You cited the research. You cited the metrics that you got. We learned some really cool stuff here today, right? Thank you, everybody, for participating the way you did.